Hey everybody, it's Jason with All-Star Welding. It's April 1st, you know what that means. It's giveaway time. I hope it's you. We're giving away the titanium Flux 125 welding machine from Harbor Freight to one lucky winner. And what I've done is I have a random comment picker on my phone. I've loaded the link to the video. We had 85 people join in the contest. We're going to hit this start button and we're going to see who our winner is. And the winner is Chazter6. Let's see if you can see that. Chazter6. So you've got 10 days to get in touch with me, and I'm going to try to get in touch with you. And you've got 10 days to respond. As soon as you do, you give me your address, this baby is coming to you the very next day. All right, so congratulations, Chazter6. All right, I hope you get some good use out of it. Send us a video. Send us a picture or a video or a comment. Let us know that you got it. Maybe take a picture or a video of something that you did with it. That'd be really cool. All right, so congratulations again, Chazter6. Everybody else, I'm sorry you didn't win this time, but pay attention. We're going to have many more contest giveaways in the very near future.